Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm making creamy tomato soup and a bacon grilled cheese sandwich. I'll be using my Vitamix blender and my Philips AirFryer XL. This was my lunch, but it would make an awesome light dinner. Here are the ingredients that I'll be using. First, start by peeling your onion, garlic, carrots, and wash your celery. First, I started by adding my 14-ounce can of tomatoes and the 28-ounce can. This is when I realized I should be using my 64-ounce container and not the 48-ounce. But I'm not gonna dirty up an extra dish, so I'ma just keep it pushing. I decided to blend for a few seconds before I added my seasonings. This Vitamix is so awesome, even after only a few seconds, there's no chunks of onion, carrots, or celery. So anyways, now I'm adding the salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, Italian seasoning, and granulated garlic. Now it's time to put the lid on and turn the blender on to full power for 6 to 7 minutes until the soup is hot. Here's what it looks like while blending. After about 6 minutes, the soup was done. No lumps and bumps and nice and hot. Now it's time to serve it up. This is a creamy tomato soup, so I am adding some heavy cream, but if you don't want to add this, it's totally optional. Here's the finished soup. I placed it in the Breville to keep warm while I worked on the grilled cheese sandwich. Now, I've got bread, I've got bacon, and I've got this fake cheese. Yes, I call processed cheese fake cheese. Word on the street is that Kraft American cheese makes really good grilled cheese sandwiches. I don't normally buy it, but I decided to give it a try. So I'm putting some mayo on the bread. I'm using this instead of butter. And I'm placing the bread mayo side down into the air fryer, and I'm going to let this cook at 360 for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the bread is nice and toasty and the cheese is melted. Now it's time to plate it up with my soup. The sandwich was really good, especially dipped into the soup, but I will say I do prefer cheddar over American cheese, and the soup was really delicious. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. As always, thanks so much for watching. Please share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on those notifications, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.